Part 2. Panel Assembly. Included materials: anti-vibration floor mat with sound block, acoustic wall panels, SoundProofer panels, SPB wall panels, door panel, and the SPB roof panels. Note, before you place the panels on the frame, make sure that the zipper on two adjacent panels match and two panels can be joined together. In some models, the roof has a zipper, and in some it may not. This is the demonstration of attaching interior Velcro flaps of two roof panels after they are placed on the frame. Begin adding the decoupling floor mats. With the assembled frame in place, begin hanging the sound absorption panels via the Velcro straps from inside the frame. Also, make sure the panels are overlapping one another from the inside as shown. At the door level, allow some space between the blankets for entry. After the absorption panels have been attached, begin hanging the sound blocking wall panels outside of the frame as shown. Note, as the sound blocking panels are considerably heavier than the absorption panels, it is recommended to have at least two people carry each wall to the frame. Each sound blocking panel has two flaps, internal and external. Make sure to attach the Velcro on the internal flap to the Velcro on the inside of the adjacent wall panel. This will help create a soundproofing seal for the booth. Then seal the joints with the external flaps as tight as possible. At the bottom of the panels, there is also a Velcro strap to help give further security to the interconnecting panels. Repeat the process for each connecting panel, ensuring maximum tightness with each seal. Also, when hanging each of these sound blocking panels, make sure to raise the wall high enough so that the attached hooks will more easily latch onto the frame. Now hang the door panel in a similar manner to the sound blocking panels, hanging the top hooks to the top horizontal bar of the frame. Once this has been latched onto the overall frame, unzip the door and begin latching the hooks and strapping the Velcro tie-ups from the door onto the door frame itself. Also, make sure the outer portion of the door panel is Velcro to the frame as shown here. For the roof panels, make sure the side with the flaps is facing downward and roll it back so once it's raised above the frame, it can be rolled back out. While the first panel is being set up from the inside, make sure someone is stabilizing the panel from outside the booth. Now, make sure the Velcro of the roof panel aligns with the Velcro of the wall panel to ensure a proper seal. Once the roof panel has been secured to the wall panel, begin rolling it back from the inside as shown. Before setting up the second roof panel, make sure the remaining unattached Velcro flaps of the first panel are on top of the center bars so they'll be ready to attach to the second roof panel. When prepping the second panel, make sure the side connecting with the first panel has the Velcro flap facing inward as shown here. Meanwhile, have the flap facing the front arch of the frame face outward. Then, install the second roof panel in the same manner as the first, attaching the Velcro on both sides. Now, connect the zipper between the two roof panels and begin zipping from outside and continue from inside the booth. With the two panels zipped together, make sure the Velcro flaps are connected to one another. With both roof panels in place, attach one of the arched panels to the back of the booth. Lastly, attach the remaining arched panel to the front, aligning the zipper with the roof panel. Once zipped across, seal the panel with the remaining Velcro flap. This completes the full assembly of the SoundProof-er Vocal Booth SPB6. In the next video, we will show how to use accessories with the SPB6.